9 out of 10 conversations they're having, people are telling them they don't want to buy a house. And the other one is a maybe, right? Now, people don't want to sell their homes. Our clients don't want to change their interest rates that start with a 2 or a 3. So when I look at the reason why, it's because we have a undereducated buyer pool, right? We have an undereducated homeowner pool where people just believe I have a low rate, so that means that I can't or shouldn't move or refi. And sometimes that's true, but sometimes it's not. The buyer pool sees rates that start in the sevens and homes that have sticker prices that they don't love, and it's not their forever home. So they go online and they look around and they search from afar, but they're never going to connect with a realtor or a lender because they're not ready. And the last thing they want is someone calling them 1,000 times if they're not ready, which is typically what we do, right? We've conditioned the consumer to stay away from us until they actually need us. And when we were looking at the infinite future sometime mid last year, when Better approached us with the opportunity to help them, because look, I was looking at our team, like, we have some of the best mortgage professionals in the country that we get to partner with at Neo. They're just like everyone else. They're not creating the number of at-bats or opportunities that we have in the past. It's just a statistical challenge. Better tells us they're generating 30,000 buyer leads a month. I'm like, there's 30,000 people a month that are asking to buy homes that are interested, but they're doing it from far away. They're not talking to a human, right? They're just starting at the top of the funnel. They're going to Better's website. They're clicking on an ad that Better has out there. There's a lot of people that have an interest, but then that's where they're stopping, right? Because then they see the numbers, it scares them, and they back out. So I said, if we can just get to the top of that funnel, right? If we can insert a professional mortgage advisor at the point of curiosity and then tell that client, hey, we're disinterested in the outcome, but it's going to be hard for you to get from, I wonder if I can buy a house, to I really believe that I should. That's hard for a lot of people. We're here to help you figure out if that makes sense or not. Right. And so our goal is just to get more to the point of curiosity and less to the point of commitment, because the point of commitment is going to be harder and harder to come by. But the point of curiosity, apparently there's tens of thousands of people a month across the country. And there's way more than that, right? You know, that go to Zillow, that go to Bankrate or wherever. So as mortgage professionals and as real estate professionals, we need to ask ourselves, how do we connect with the client at point of curiosity and convince them that we're not going to sell them something, that we're just going to advise them on if it makes sense, when it makes sense, strategy, timeline, plan, action, because that's what people need the most, right? And that's where we need to realize our jobs have fundamentally changed. We used to just take someone who wanted to buy a house, we'd do the paperwork, we'd run the numbers, we'd educate them on some different loan options, they'd pick one, and we'd close the loan. But we didn't need to the influence part. We didn't need to influence them to make a highly scary emotional decision to, take on something that feels heavy that very few people want to do, right? Like 9 out of 10 people used to want to buy a home if you asked them. Now 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
So if everyone's not doing it, right, it takes a lot of work to show someone why they actually should and convince them that it is a smart decision for them and their family, short-term and long-term. That's our job now.
Yeah.
Our job is not what it used to be. It's education, it's analysis, it's advice, and it's planning. But that starts way at the curiosity point.
Yeah.
Right? We just have to figure out how to get there.